My name's Devin. I'm going to do a review on the so it's called the MA16 and it's a good gun. It's precise, it's strong, and it's actually got a pretty good kick, so if you put it there, oh man, now just show you how to do it. Okay. Well, when you've got a kick there and you're going, it's got a 416 mag, 16 bullet, 12 bullet. I mean, it's got a pump action stock rest and trigger. It's from Busby Toys. It's got safety. It's got the scope that is so mean, and you can like shoot. And then the pump action thing. So I'll shoot it. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. So that's not a very good. So it's got a kickback action. It's got a grip, so you can like that, and you can and it's got it's probably 20. It's about 18 inches and about 1 inch wide, and length is probably 5 inches. So it's just from the Kmart or the warehouse, or it's from Busby Toys. Don't know if you can see that, but it's got scratches because it was no do. So it's an army toy, and you gotta get it good. And it's a good gun. Costs $15. And yeah, that's it. Bye.